So for this one, we need to change the theme of the presentation and then add an orange text to the slide to explain why we chose the theme. So this one's fairly straightforward as well. This is your theme here, right above it. Since I have nothing selected, you'll notice that I can do that. But if I had this selected, you wouldn't see theme. So we want to click on the background, make sure it's there. Let's change the theme. Theme or preset series of fonts and colors, like a color scheme to fit an overarching look. And when you choose a theme, it will impact the entire slide deck. Everything that's all the slides available will be impacted by that. So I don't know, let's just go and choose this nice blue Marina. It's called Marina. And of course now we'll see that all the other slides have changed to that. The type of font is different now. It's Roboto Slab. You even kind of tell this text box up here is a little off jointed because of it, because the layout's changed a little bit. It's not so good though with this blue text. So either I can change the text font color. Let's do that. It's sort of our next step. We can highlight that. Now I'll have it highlighted and get rid of this since we don't want that anymore. I can change the color easily by going over here to text color, and let's say we want something that stands out. A lighter color would be better. That looks pretty dang good on top of that blue. And now it asks us to add orange text to this slide. So we want to add a text box, somewhere to type. Usually you already have a text box where I have the instructions, but you don't want to type in the same one because later on when we do animations, those can get confused. So we'll go to text box. We're going to drag to the space that we want it to be in, and we can start typing. It's our choice. We can go ahead and change, let's change the color to orange before we start typing. This can be helpful. I liked this color of blue in the font, so I chose Marina. I suppose I should put that in a title, sort of, or like that. So that's basically it. Now here's a neat little trick that's not including the instructions, but I might as well tell you about it. Let's change the fill so this text box stands out. Go to fill color, and a gray would be kind of nice. It doesn't look so good though, the blue and the gray. So instead of just staying with a regular gray, let's go down to custom. This is where I can choose any color I'd like. Let's go back and find another gray. And if you scroll down half the way on this transparency bar, hit done. Now I can kind of see, and it lets me blend colors a little bit. That's always like a fun kind of neat visual trick. I can snap the text box to fit like right in the middle if I wanted to center that. Also, one thing I should show you is spacing. You know how there's this gap over here? Everything's what we would call left oriented. I can line it back to the center by clicking on a line. It's on the left currently. Let's put it in the middle. I can also make it sit on the bottom of the box or right in the middle. Let's put it right in the middle. So now it sits neatly inside of that text box.